Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down the latest in cryptocurrency for you. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Dogecoin from XMO to Bitrue in 2025. With crypto exchanges evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this guide will have you transferring your Dogecoin in no time. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active account on both XMO and Bitrue, with your Dogecoin balance available in your XMO wallet. Also, double-check that you've completed any identity verification on both platforms. It's crucial for security, especially in 2025 when regulations are tighter. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your XMO account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Dogecoin holdings. Step 2. Select Dogecoin and click on the Withdraw option. Here, you'll need to enter the destination address. To get that, quickly switch to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to your wallet, and copy your Dogecoin deposit address. Pro tip: in 2025, Bitrue might have enhanced QR code features for easier copying, so keep an eye out for that. Step 3. Back in XMO, paste the Bitrue address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Check for fees too, as they can vary. Then, review all the details carefully to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication, which is a must in today's crypto world. Once submitted, your transaction will be processed on the blockchain. After that, head over to Bitrue and monitor your wallet for the deposit. In 2025, with faster networks like Dogecoin's potential upgrades, this could take just a few minutes, but always account for network delays. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and secure connections to protect your assets from scams. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from XMO to Bitrue in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and crypto savvy. See you next time.